Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a battery percentage problem on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if your battery percentage is not according to the up to the mark and it is incorrect or showing a wrong battery percentage according to your usage, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply restart your device. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of shutdown option. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to simply restart your device, and after that you have to check whether it is showing correct battery percentage and it is not showing incorrect battery percentage. Now you can simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to battery, and you have to check whether it is showing correct battery usage or not, and you have to check whether you have your usage during the last 10 days and last 24 hours. Moreover, you have to simply turn on the low power mode so that it can use less battery. So moreover, you have to go to the battery health and charging, and here you can find your battery health, and if it is below than 80%, then you have to simply replace your battery because your battery health is very low and it is unable to support your device. Moreover, you can simply turn off the optimized battery charging because it disturbs your battery percentage, and do not charge it fully because it is written when it reaches 80% it stops charging. So you have to simply check for that. Moreover, you can simply go back, and after that you have to simply reboot your device or hard reboot your device, and after that you have to go to setting, and you can also check for the iOS version, which means you have installed the latest version on your device or not. So if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your device according to latest iOS version, and after that you have to wait for some time so that it can adjust according to the latest software and your battery percentage will be correct. So in this way you can simply solve the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to the Apple Store and ask for the solution, and moreover you can also discuss it in the Apple discussion and ask for the solution from the Apple user. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.